So I finally got my hands on the brand new Galaxy Z Flip 6. Finally, Samsung has brought some much needed changes with the Flip 6 that fans have been asking for quite some time. We'll be taking a look at everything that is new and if it's worth upgrading from the Z Flip 5 as well as the Z Flip 4. So Galaxy Z Flip 6, it is once again continuing the same design we saw from the Galaxy Z Flip 5. There's no major visual design changes except a new beautiful one, which is color coordinated camera rings, which look really good across all the different colors of the Flip 6. Yes, once again, Samsung is offering range of different colors with the Flip 6, so you have a lot of variety to choose from. In my opinion, the yellow color is really good along with the blue one, but let me know which one is your favorite in the comments below. Now, the new camera ring color is not just for the looks, it is to signify the biggest camera change we have ever seen on a Samsung Flip phone. Finally, Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 is now having a main 50 megapixel sensor similar to the Galaxy S24 series, along with a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle lens. This 50 megapixel sensor is going to be a game changer. Let me explain. Now, not only you can take 50 megapixel high resolution photos, but also take 50 megapixel selfies using the outer display. And thanks to high resolution, you can do almost lossless 2x zoom on the Flip 6, which is for the first time. And thankfully, you can also utilize this while you're shooting portrait mode photos. Portrait mode looks the best at 2x or 3x levels, so finally, no more wide portraits only. We now have a much better option. Now, this sensor will bring improvements when it comes to shooting videos and photos in range of different scenarios, especially low light situations. Speaking of video, Samsung is still keeping the video performance up to 4K 60 FPS, so despite the high resolution, we can't shoot 8K on the Z Flip 6. There's a very cool auto-framing feature for photos on the Flip 6, which helps a lot when you're taking selfies. You don't have to worry too much about being at the right position because the phone will automatically adjust as well as the zoom level to take the best selfie. Now, although the display specs are the same, Samsung has improved the crease on the Flip 6 compared to the previous generation. Thanks to the new hinge design, the crease is less visible as well as you feel it less noticeably when you're touching the screen. Again, it's not completely eliminated and it's definitely not the best we have seen in terms of competition, but I have to say it is just at that right spot. Other than the camera, we have a brand new chip on the inside, which is Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. No Exynos, we get Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in all markets. And compared to the Flip 5, we have a bigger vapor cooling chamber solution on the inside, meaning you'll have a cooler performance for longer period of time, especially in those intense usage scenarios. Now, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 is not the only new change that is on the inside. We have a slightly bigger 4000 mAh cell compared to the 3700 on the Flip 5 and the Flip 4. With the bigger battery as well as the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 combo, we're definitely going to see some good battery improvements. Software-wise, we have One UI 6.1.1 running on Android 14, of course, with Galaxy AI. So pretty much all the Galaxy AI features that Samsung has announced so far are present on the new Z Flip 6 as well as the Fold 6, which is nothing new because they also brought these same changes on the Flip 5 and the Fold 5. We actually do have one new Galaxy AI feature, which is the Portrait Studio. This allows you to turn your images or your selfies into 3D cartoon or sketch, depending on what option you choose from. Not gonna lie, it is a fun feature that we're likely going to see coming down to the S24 series as well as the older Galaxy devices. So with everything is considered, is the Z Flip 6 worth upgrading if you're using the Z Flip 5? Well, in my opinion, if you really care about the camera, the new 50 megapixel sensor has a lot of advantages, especially when you consider the portrait mode at 2x level. It's not really a small upgrade if you ask me, so having the best camera sensor on a Flip is a dream of many of the Galaxy fans out there, so now we're finally getting it. Other than this, we don't have any major changes. It is still the same design as the Flip 5. If you're fine with the camera on the Flip 5, definitely stay on the Flip 5. It's still a very good phone with pretty much exactly the same design and the display specs as the Z Flip 6. If you're someone who's using the Z Flip 4, you have survived another year, honestly treat yourself and upgrade all the way to the Z Flip 6. You'll get pretty much the best of Samsung in all areas. Again, if camera is not that important, end, you can definitely do save some money and go for the Flip 5. So there we go. Let me know your thoughts about the Flip 6 in the comment section below. Do you think Samsung has done enough? Let me know. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe and definitely check out my hands-on of the Z Fold 6. Link is mentioned in the description below. With that being said, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.